Good afternoon, dear students. How are you today?
Good.
I'm
fantastic.
Okay. Are you ready for the lesson?
Yes.
Okay. What was your home task?
Learn
New words and
do exercise. Best friends.
For best friends. Are you ready?
Yes.
You are ready. Okay, Sakla.
This is my card. My best friend's name is Elbet. He's keep all my secrets. He listens my problems and he always tell the truth. Thanks for my best friend.
Okay.
This is for you.
Thank you. Okay. Go next. Okay.
My best friend is Esma. I say my ideas for you and you are my best friend. You listen to my ideas. You help when I sell, and you are really beautiful girl. I can say my secrets for you, because you like my sister.
Okay. Who next? Okay, Adana.
This is my card.
Today we are going to learn something very interesting. Well, do you know what time it is now? Yes. Today our lesson topic is telling the time. We will learn how to tell the time on the clock, use words like o'clock, half past, quarter to, minutes past, minutes to.